How to convert a URL into a clickable hyperlink in Excel. Let's start. When you type a URL in Excel and press Enter, Excel usually turns it into a hyperlink automatically. But if you have a large list of links, doing that one by one is a waste of time. The fastest method is using the hyperlink function. For example, if your URLs are in column D, starting from D2, go to the next column, E2, and type equals hyperlink D2. Press Enter, and the link becomes clickable. Now drag the fill handle down to apply it to the entire list in seconds. And if you want the link to show custom text instead of the full URL, use equals hyperlink D2, open link. That's it. Bulk hyperlinks instantly. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.